To update your smartphone to the latest version iOS 26, you have to first know that your device supports the iOS update. And I've talked about this already on this platform. So you can check in the comment section, or let me just quickly put it right here for you. Okay, what I need to do is to just subscribe and like the video for more videos right here on this platform. So there's the list of compatible device for the iOS 26. So what I'm going to show you with the iOS update that you can get for your smartphone is that the iOS itself, that is the iOS 26, is not officially out, but the beta version of it. And when we say beta version of it means that it is under testing. So everyone or anyone who has the iOS 26 as a time of the video, yes, that person is using the beta version of it. The official 26 will be released in September, okay, and compatible devices will still get access to use that, but there's just a better version of it and it is under testing. So I would recommend, if you're someone that uses iOS the more, I think it will be good to be very good for you to update. But if you think you are someone who just update just because of some few reasons, okay, yeah, then you can wait for the official release of the iOS 26. They just a better version of it. We are testing, we are using it to get feedback to Apple to let them know that as we use, this was our experience with it. These are some of the bugs that they need to fix when it comes to the iOS 26. So if you're new, just like the video and subscribe for more videos and know that they just the better version of the iOS 26. Let's start and show you how you can update yours on this platform by make sure you like the video. So open your browser, whether Chrome, whether Safari, any browser that you have, just open it. And when you open, then you enter this website, that's developer.apple.com, developer.apple.com. Okay, so when you come here, this is the interface of it. And then at this side where we have the two lines, then you tap on it. When you tap on it, then you go to account and you are going to sign into your account. So make sure you remember your account password and everything. Okay, so you enter your email right here and then you are going to sign into your account. After you sign into your account, you will see this. Okay, that is Apple developer agreement. So you have to go through the agreement right here. Okay, then you come to the button right here where you can either receive informations or announcement, okay, from Apple. Okay, but I recommend you go for yes so that you get to know what's going on. And then we will just need to tap on agree right here. Okay, so you are going to agree to their terms and also accepting communications from Apple. Okay, and then you will tap on agree and that's it. Okay, but you have to wait for some time. It will just refresh and you will see this. Okay, yes, after all, you are done. So the only thing was to allow. Okay, yes, after that, go to your home, go to settings, and then you will just need to come to general and then you go to software update and you will see beta update off. Then you tap on it and then you select iOS developer beta. Okay, then you will come back. So when you come back, it will refresh and then give you the new iOS update available for you. That is the beta version of it. Okay, and please, as you are going to update to the latest iOS 26 beta version of it, make sure you back up your files. Okay, make sure you back up your files, make sure you have storage as well. You can see unable to download. The main reason was the storage. Okay, so make sure you have storage, make sure you back up your files because anything can happen. Since it is a beta version, that is why they call it developer beta. Okay, yes, there is a beta version of it and the iOS 26 will be fully out, as I've already talked about. So just subscribe, more updates will become right here. And also, if you want to know more about this iOS 26 update, yes, check in the comment section to know more features that it really comes with. Okay, or check on the screen and then everything will be there. Stay alive and bye for now.